Do you want to run your SIL toolchain on Linux? Then you should use vVIRTUALtarget to create your Level 3 virtual ECUs natively on Linux. Hi, my name is Tanya and I'm the product manager of vVIRTUALtarget. In this video, I will show you how to generate a virtual ECU on Linux using VttMake. VttMake is the headless variant of vVIRTUALtarget. From version 7, it can also run on Linux and allows the creation of Level 3 vECUs, which we also call the integration use case. Do you already have a Microsoft Basic software package containing a DaVinci configurator that can be executed on Linux? Have you installed vVIRTUALtarget for Linux from our Vector Download Center and have a license for the server edition of vVIRTUALtarget? Perfect, then let's start. Start by defining a VttMake file for your virtual ECU. Watch the VttMake introduction video to find out how to write VttMake files in general. You can find the link in the description below. To build your virtual ECU on Linux, create a vTMake project with the compiler Clang. Include the tags generate RTE and generate BSW so that VttMake will call the DaVinci configurator in the background and generate the RTE and basic software. If you have already generated these two parts, you could also omit these tags. Please make sure that the reference path to the DPA file is correct. The DPA file must reference the VTT command tool, which is located in the same folder as the VttMake application. Enter the relative path to your project file in the DPA file. Other than on Windows, VTT project files don't work, so VttMake files are the way to go. Start code meter in your command prompt to initialize licensing. Simply call VttMake with the command make and pass the path to the VttMake file as an argument. When the build is finished, you will find a folder called vTMake in the project root directory. Change to the vTMake folder and create the vTMake cache using vTMake commands via command line. If you want to build a vECU with debug information, use the build type debug. Then trigger the vTMake build to create the shared object file. You can integrate this file in your simulation, for example with GNU Server Edition. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please consult our knowledge base or contact our support colleagues. To recap creating Level 3 vECUs, watch the video here. There's a whole playlist about vVIRTUALtarget too. If you don't want to miss any upcoming videos, subscribe to the Vector Tech tutorial channel and activate the bell.